Okay, now let's see the relation between factors and multiples. Okay, now for example, let's take 15. Okay, let's take 15. The factors of 15 are factors of 15 are 1 can divide. It is odd number, so 2 will not divide. Again 3, 1 plus 5, 6. So 6 you can divide by 3, so 15 also you can divide. Again 4, even number, will not divide the odd number. 5, it is ending with 5, so it will be divisible by 5. Again 6, even number, will not divide. Again 7 2s are 14, so it won't divide. Again 8, even number, will not divide. 9 2s are 18, it won't divide. Again 10 should end with 0, but here it is ending with 5, so it won't divide. 11 2s are 22, it won't divide. Again 12, even number, will not divide. 13 2s are 26, won't divide. Again 14, even number, will not divide, so the last number is 15. So only there will be limited factors will be there, limited. Okay, at least all the numbers will have 2 factors, otherwise more than 2 factors. Only one will have only 1 factor, that is 1. Other than 1, every number will have at least 2 factors. Okay, 2 or more than 2 factors. Okay, now if you write the multiple of 15, so 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, and it will go on like that. So it is non-stop. Okay, now if you see here, the number is 15 and you look at the factor and multiple, you see here the biggest factor of the number is the number itself. The biggest, the greater factor is the number itself. But in multiple, the smaller multiple is the number itself. The smaller multiple is the number itself. So the greater factor of a number is the number itself. The smaller multiple is the number itself. I think you understand, I think. And the factors of a number will be smaller than, otherwise equal to the number. Okay, factors of the numbers will be smaller than. This is a number, means it will be smaller, otherwise equal. Equal is here. But multiple will be greater than the number, otherwise equal to the number. Greater than the number, otherwise equal to the number. You see here multiples. The smaller multiple is 15, that is equal to the number, and all other multiples are bigger than the number. If you see the factor, the greater factor is the number. All other factors are smaller than the number. So this is the relationship between the factor and the multiple. Okay, the greater factor is the number itself, the smaller multiple is the number itself, and the factors are smaller or equal to the number, multiples are bigger or equal to the number. Okay, so this is the relationship between the factor and the multiple. Now let's learn the common factor and the highest common factor. Okay, now we are going to learn highest common factor. You see here least common multiple, that is LCM, and here highest common factor. So highest, first letter is H, here common first letter is C, and here factor first letter is F, so it is HCF. So we find the HCF. HCF means highest common factor, so only we have taken the first letter. So in the least common multiple, we have taken the smaller multiple. Here we will take the higher multiple. Okay, so higher factor. So first we have to write the factor now. 16 and 24. Let's write the factor now. For 16, I am writing the factor. Factors of 16. Factors of 16. So 16 ones are 16. Again it is even number, so surely 2 can divide. So 2 8s are 16. Again 3, 1 plus 6, 7. So 7 cannot be divided by 3. So 3 will not come. Now 4. 4 4s are 16. So the number is repeated. So you don't need to check all the number. You can go to the previous one. Just change the order. 8 2s are 16. And this one will be 16 into 1, 16. So factors of 16 are, you have tried this one, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Okay, there are 5 factors. Now next, this is factors of 16. Now we write the factors of 24. Factors of 24. So all number 1 is a factor. So 1 into 24, 24. 24 is even number, so 2 will divide. So 2 12s are 24. Now in 24, 2 plus 4, 6. So 6 you can divide by 3. So 3 can divide this number. So 3 8s are 24. Now 4. It is even number, so 4 also can divide. 4 6 are 24. 5 odd number will not divide the 5 will not divide here because it is ending in 4. Again 6. So 6 again repeating. So 6 into 4, just changing the order. Now this one change the order. 8 into 3. You no need to waste the time by checking all other numbers. So you can just go when the number is started repeating, just you can go upwards, all the number, change the order and write. Now 12 into 2, 24, and here 24 into 1, 24. So now factors of 24 are, this all number you have to write, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So 24 is having 3, 6, 8 factors. Okay, so these are the factors. Now we have to write the common factors. As you were writing common multiple, now you have to write the common factors. Common factors are here 1, both are having 1 as a common factor. Again 2, both are having 2, so 2 is a common factor. Again 4, both are having 4, so 4 is a common factor. Again 8, both are having 8, so 8 is a common factor. Again no more numbers. Okay, all other numbers are not a common factor. So this is the common factors. Now highest common factor. You can write highest common factor. Highest common factor. Otherwise you can just short form, you can write HCF. HCF equal to, so in this common factor, which is the bigger one? 8 is the bigger one. So 8 is the highest common factor. Okay, this is the we have tried. Don't use the division method. In your book it is given only multiplication method. Only you follow, for time being you follow this one. I will tell when to use the division method. I think division method you have learned in division lesson. So that same method only we will be using, but that I will tell you afterwards. Now for time being you use only this multiplication method. So common factor, I think, I don't know whether you had seen or what, this last part. Common factor you write, then highest common factor HCF equal to 8. Okay, now next if we see, let's see the relation between HCF and the LCM. Now let's see the relationship between the LCM and HCF. Okay, so now suppose there are two numbers. So I am giving you the example now, 6 and 24. So there are two numbers. So now this is smaller number and this is a bigger number. Now divide the smaller number, divide the bigger number by the smaller number. Divide the bigger number by the smaller number. So 24 divided by 6. How many 6 are 24? 4 6 are 24. So you can divide the smaller number, you can divide the bigger number by the smaller number without any remainder. So you are able to divide. There is no remainder at all. So if there is 2 number, and in that if we can divide the bigger number by the smaller number without any remainder, if we can divide completely, then the bigger number will be, so here the bigger number is 24. So the bigger number will be the LCM of these two numbers, and the smaller number will be the HCF of these two numbers. Shall we check and see whether this is LCM and whether it is the HCF? Okay, so now multiples of 6 will be 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. It will go on again. 24, multiples of 24 will be 24, again 48, again 48, 60, 76, 96, 104, and it will go on like that. Okay, so here the common multiples are 24 and 48 will come, 36, 42, 48, it will go on like that. So 48 will come. So in 24 and 48, like this it will go on, and LCM will be the smaller one, so that is 24. So I told 24 is the LCM, so we have got 24 is the LCM. Now HCF, let's see the HCF. Factor of 6 are 1, 2 can divide, 3 can divide, 4, 5, 6. So factors of 6 are this one. Now 24, factors of 24 are 1, 2, again 2 plus 4, 6, 6 can divide 3, so 3 can divide 24, again 4 can divide, 5 will not divide, 6 can divide, 7, 8 can divide, 9 will not divide, 10 will not divide, 11, 12 can divide, 12, 14, 15, again 8, 12 afterwards, last 24, no other number can divide. Okay, so these are the factors of 24. So now if we take the common factors, that is 1, again 2, again 3, again 6. So the common factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, and HCF. So in this highest one, the bigger one is 6. So HCF is 6. LCM is 24, HCF is 6. So we have found it like this. Okay. So remember this. If any two number in any two number, if a two number is given, in that if the smaller number can divide the bigger number without any remainder, in that case the bigger number is the LCM and the smaller number is the HCF. Okay, so 6.4 you can do as homework. Okay, thank you.